Are you tired of learning SolidWorks from unstructured tutorials and need a course that will not only help you in learning SolidWorks from scratch but also be a perfect guide to prepare for certification exams like CSWA? Then you are in a right place. In this comprehensive course, I will gonna teach you everything you need to know to get started with SolidWorks. From part design to assembly and simulations, sheet metal to drafting, every topics are covered in a great detail. So why should you take up this course? Firstly, this course contains 24 hours of easy to follow video lectures which covers sketching, part design, assembly, simulation, sheet metal and drafting. Every tool is explained in a great detail covering all its properties so you can confidently use it in every aspect of your design work. You will get exercises, quizzes, assignments, real-world projects, practice tests and many more to help you learn SolidWorks in a right way and prepare for CSWA exam. This course is also a part of Udemy business program, meaning Udemy offers it to the top companies for training their clients. This highlights the course credibility and industry value. Over 5,000 students have already trusted this course with 1,000 plus positive reviews. Plus, with Udemy's 30 days money-back guarantee, you can enroll risk-free. If the course doesn't meet your expectation, simply request a refund within 30 days, no questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Take the free trial lectures, and if you are satisfied, then join us on this journey and take your first step in learning one of the most demanded CAD skill. So see you inside the course.